Hey, to change narrator voice in the Windows 11, all you have to do is just to click start on the taskbar, then go to the settings. Now from here, you will have to go into the accessibility, then go into the hearing, select audio, and from here, we have to go for the narrator, never mind. So go back, for the narrator, and when you scroll down, you can actually find to choose a voice. So as you can see here, you can find all languages supported on your current account. If for some reason you don't have here voice with your language, you will have to go into the time and the language, and go into the language in the region. Then you can add a language from here and pick the language that actually support text to speech function. So it will be actually visible with this icon. So for example, if you are using Arabic language from the Saudi Arabia, just click on it and then download. If you have any issues with downloading, you will have to go for the network and the internet, then select Ethernet or a Wi-Fi connection and turn off metered connection. After this, you will be able to go back into the accessibility, open Narrator, and pick, for sure, after downloading this speech language, you will actually be able to choose it from the list. And as you can see, that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.